In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Salesforce 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that takes new time entries from Clockify and sends them straight into Salesforce, so your team's work shows up where you manage customers and deals. We'll use Zapier because it's the fastest, most user-friendly way to connect the two tools. Before you start, make sure you can sign in to your Clockify and Salesforce accounts and that you have access to Zapier. Begin in Zapier and click Create Zap. This opens a blank workflow. For the trigger app, search for Clockify, select it, then choose New Time Entry as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to watch for every new time log your team creates. When prompted, connect your Clockify account. Zapier will ask for an API key. You can copy it from your Clockify account settings and paste it here. Once connected, continue and let Zapier pull in a recent sample time entry so you can see real data while you build. Next, add your action. Search for Salesforce and choose it as the action app. Decide what you want Zapier to do when a new time entry appears. Create record is a great general option if you plan to create tasks or custom objects from each time log. If your process is built around nurturing prospects or managing activities, update lead or update task can work well. Connect your Salesforce account when prompted, using your regular login, and allow Zapier to access the workspace. Now map the data. This is where you match fields from Clockify to fields in Salesforce, so everything lands in the right place. Map the time tracked into the appropriate Salesforce task or record field that represents effort or duration. Then map the Clockify project to the Salesforce record that makes the most sense for you, such as an opportunity or an account. You can also bring over descriptive details like the time entry description to a notes or subject field so context follows the work. As you map, watch for any Salesforce required fields and fill them with either static values or matching Clockify data. With the mapping in place, run a test. Zapier will send the sample time entry into Salesforce and show you the result. Open Salesforce to confirm the record appears as expected and that the fields look clean and readable. If anything is off, adjust the mappings and test again. When you're happy, click Publish or Turn On. From now on, new Clockify time entries will sync automatically to Salesforce in the background. That's it. Your integration is live, streamlined, and ready to support your workflow.